This is the spot where I had my first flight with the Avata 2, and today might be the last time I fly this little beast. Why? Because I got bored and decided that I'm gonna try to fly it as crazy as I can and to see if I'm gonna crash it, and if I crash it, will I break it? Because I crashed this little tank quite a few times, about 5 or 6 times already, in the stone, in the tree, in the ground, in the wall, and nothing happened. I didn't even have to replace a single propeller on this thing. Let's see if it survives today. Where the fuck is it? Ah, down there. How you doing? Still looks pretty fine to me. Yeah, we gotta crash you some more. Quick swap. Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry. Can I even destroy you? I'm abusing this tiny thing as much as I can, and still. Oh, okay. It's a pretty deep dent right here on this part. Just for fun, let's try to lift it up again. Shit! I guess you just cannot destroy this thing. You can damage it, but I don't think you can physically break it so much that it just won't fly again. It's crazy. Okay, this was pretty fucking extreme. Just take a look at it. Right into the stones. Holy shit. Like, this thing is abused as hell, and looks like it could take another flight easily. We can see a little snap here. I don't know if you can see it. Like this part. I don't know how it's still alive, but yeah, take a look at it. It's crazy that this thing can still fly. But yeah, let me try it. Still fucking flying, man! What the fuck? is still alive! Like nothing happened! And I don't even think you can destroy this! Whatever. This is it from this video. Oh, it's a fucking beetle! Take a look at the beetle, take a look at the beetle. Wait, let me see. Take you off. Take a look at the fucking beetle. Take a look at the fucking beetle, man. Oh, man. I want my car to have this color. Well, not this shitty car that I'm driving now, but yeah, the new one that I'm gonna buy. It's a fucking beetle, man. No. Where are you going, Mr. Beetle? Where are you going, Mr. Beetle? Well, bye.